Welcome to Sonia's Cooking Corner. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my famous meatballs. So I'm going to use 2 pounds of ground beef, 3 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 4 eggs, half a cup of breadcrumbs, mine already seasoned, half a cup of grated cheese, salt, pepper, and now we mix it all in. Ready? We're going to make our meatballs. In Italy, they're kind of round, but kind of flattened. I'm gonna put some oil in the pan. Go ahead and put our meatballs in. Let them cook 7 minutes on each side, medium. Go ahead and flip them over. We wait another 5 to 6 minutes. Take them out, set them on a plate with paper towel. Now we're gonna go ahead and dip our meatballs, and we're gonna leave them in there for about 45 minutes.